In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name for comments in Adobe Acrobat, according to the 2025 interface update. This can be a handy feature if you've recently changed your name, or if you simply prefer to use a different one in your comments. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have one at hand, you can easily download a sample PDF file from the web to follow along with the steps. Once your PDF is open, click on the menu button, which you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. It looks like a little stack of 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. From here, we're diving into the settings. Click on Preferences, which is a menu option provided there. Think of this as the control center for customizing Adobe Acrobat to better fit your personal or professional needs. Next, you'll need to navigate to the commenting category. This might involve scrolling through the sidebar, but don't worry, it should be just a few clicks away. This part of the menu is specifically focused on how your comments are handled and displayed. Now here's a very crucial step. Locate and uncheck the option that says always use login name for author name. By doing this, you are telling Adobe Acrobat that you want to manually specify the author name for your comments rather than automatically using your login name. After doing so, make sure to click OK to save these changes. It's important you don't miss this step, as it confirms all the adjustments you've made. With these preferences altered, it's time to move on. Click on the All Tools tab located again at the top left of your window. Find the Add Comments option and proceed by clicking on it. You'll notice a comments pane appearing at the right side of your page. This is where the magic happens. At this point, you can type a comment into the text box and then click Post. To continue, focus on the specific comment you just posted. Click on the 3-dot menu associated with that comment and then select Properties. This will bring up the Comment Properties dialog box. Navigate to the General tab once you're in the dialog box. Here is where you can enter your new name in the author text box. Once this is done, take it a step further by clicking on Make Properties Default. This little trick ensures your future comments will carry the same author name automatically. Hit OK to finalize everything. That's it, your newly chosen name should now appear in your comments. Hopefully this guide helps you customize your Adobe Acrobat experience just a little bit more to your liking. Thank you for following along today, and feel free to revisit any step if needed.